as neat a mud cabin as ever was seen, considering it served to keep poultry and pigs in. I'm sure it was always most elegant and clean. But now all about it is lonely and weary, all sad and all silent, no piper, no reel, not even the sound through the casement is cheery, since I miss my darling boy Teddy O'Neill. I dreamt that last night, oh, access to my dreaming, I'd die if 'twould ever come surely to pass. I dreamt while the tears down my pillow were streaming, that Teddy was courting another fair lass. Or did I awake with a weeping and wailing? The thought of that grief was too deep to conceal. My mother cried, Nora, child, what is your ail? And all I could answer was Teddy O'Neill. Shall I ever forget when the big ship was leaving? The moment had come when my love must depart. How I cried like a child, oh, good luck to you, Teddy, with tears on my cheek and a stone